Check. Check. Checkmate. Mic check. We good? Are we good? I think I fixed it. I can see my audio working. Let me know. Are we good? Good morning. There you are. Ooh, get it. What's going on, guys? How can we have technical difficulties on a Saturday? Come on, we're supposed to be chilling and looking at. See, I had to fix this one too. Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's going on? What's going on, my friends? How you doing, man? How you doing? Happy Saturday to you guys, man. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Bitcoin's getting a little bit of a push here. A little bit of a push. Can we get up any higher? We'll have to see. It's trying to get all of us bears out of the woods. It's asking us to short it right now, isn't it? Isn't it? Well, that's okay. We're ready for you. We're ready for you. Whatever you're going to do, Bitcoin. What's going on? Nick Musgrave in the chat. Good to see you, man. My man, the myth, the legend. Hope you're doing well. Touch some grass, man. I know how hard you've been working lately, trying to fill those bags, working hard, making the boss too much money, where you should be making all the money. Much love to you, Nick Musgrave. We got Huck in the chat. Good to see you. Good morning, Huck. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Happy weekend to you, my friend. Thank you so much for being part of this community. We enjoy having you here. Jeet Corp here. Always coming through. Always saying, oi. What's going on, Jeet Corp? Much love to you, my friend. Hope you're having a terrific day. Congratulations on selling that truck. And I believe you're going to Mexico. So that's pretty awesome, man. Enjoy the hot weather when you get there. Don't get burnt. Lunar Beach is crypto. Hola, amigo, he says. Hola, hola to you, my friend. Hope you're having a great weekend. Hope the kids aren't sick. You said the house was sick last weekend, so I hope everybody's feeling all right in the household. And Crypto Pollo saying, cluck, 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 cluck. We were playing Counter-Strike. Me and Jonathan Schaefer were playing Counter-Strike last night. And we might have been shooting the chickens. Don't tell anybody. Don't tell anybody, okay? What's going on? Crypto Pollo and Jonathan Schaefer in the chat. Good to see you guys. Thank you guys for being here. Just a chill stream here. We were going through, we found Pokemon cards. I don't know if you guys like Pokemon cards. But I got a binder of Pokemon cards, okay? It's hard to display my Pokemon cards. That's all. Is that crazy that I still got those? Anyways, there's always treasure to be found at Grandma's house. Everyone is finally back to full house. Took a few first aid kits, but we survived, okay? It sounds like The Walking Dead. Oh, man. Oh, man. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? So what do we got here on the Bitcoin price? We got a lot of FUD. So we got like CryptoFace and Jason Casper and everybody saying we're going to dump, okay? We're going to dump. We got a little bit of exhaustion here. What I can see anyways. Let's go on the good old market cipher B and take a big old look at this thing. Horizontal lines and shit like that. Do you know what I learned? That Alt J is array. Did you guys know that? Alt J is array. Alt J. Alt J. Ho ho ho. We can throw rays everywhere now. Pew 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 pew. Okay, I'll stop it. Alt J for array. Magic. I just use horizontal lines. However, Alt J for array. Thanks, appreciate you sharing your knowledge and keeping it fun. We're always trying to keep it fun. We could see that a lot of you on the poll here, you're sleeping, family, trading, and saving the world. I know you guys all have capes on and you're all out there fighting crime. Oh man, look at this guy. Who's the bear? Lunar Beaches Crypto's the bear. Oof. If we come down to 33,000, I mean, what's the problem with lower prices right now? There's no problem if we get lower prices. If anything, lower prices to me means cheaper prices, which means cheaper alts, which means, we might get a little Black Friday sale. Oh yeah, we posted it. Make sure you get your copy of TradingView. Black Friday, 70% off, plus an extra month, all that good stuff. Okay, so it's time to pounce on that. Okay, so we can see we're getting a bit of exhaustion here on the Bitcoin price. Okay, going through. Money flow is coming out on the 5. Let's go to the weekly. We can see this doesn't look so pretty anymore, right? So we got a beautiful weekly last week, pushing up, getting a little bit of a rejection. However, this is like Thor's hammer, right? This is Thor's hammer here. Looking to pop back up, really. If you're looking at this weekly, this would be a bullish candle. It says that we're failing to get below. We've popped back up, and we got a hammer candle, right? So that to me is a bullish candle. Now that can change over the next, 36 hours, whatever it is, until we get the print of this candle. However, that is still a bullish candle in my opinion, because that just means we couldn't get down. You know what I mean? Get down. So the thing is here is that we're diverting, okay? We got the divergence on the daily and stuff like that. We'll talk about that. There's still room here on the month or on the weekly, okay? There's still room here, and the money flow is still heading upwards, okay? We have cooled off on the VWAP, but we are heading upwards here. And we know about the supply shock, so we need to be aware of that as well, okay? As traders, we just want to get the good entries and let the rest of the trade ride, pay ourselves early, all that good stuff. So for us, it shouldn't matter too much which way price goes. We just want to be able to anticipate the way it's going to go, right? So as we flip through here, we can see the money flow is starting to come out on the 5-day. And on the 4-day, confirmed red dot, okay? That doesn't really mean diddly squat just yet, okay? Because this could always come up like this, okay? Could always look something like that. If we're looking for a trade setup this week, and I am looking for a short around 36,870. 870 is kind of my idea for a short right now. Let's jump into it quickly. We're getting a little bit of a push here. $870 is kind of my area where I'm looking for a rejection. Okay. We can see this beautiful range here. Okay, we'll go in the 1 hour. We'll show you what I'm looking at before we go through the long-term analysis. Oopsie, I'm moving things now. Okay, forget about that. I don't even know why I did that. Okay, so we got a lot of point of control here. Could we come up here and grab these guys? Absolutely. This is where the liquidity lies. They're hanging out up here. So typically we want to come up and get them, right? We want to come up and get them and knock them out. However, we are in this consolidation sideways range, which we can see right here. Whoop, boop, boop, boop. Okay. We have a peak right around here. And this 870 for me, 870. Where's 870? Mr. 870. Right at the top here. Mark that out. You see some confluence here, okay? Let's build some confluence within these charts. We can pull fib from swing high to swing low. Wow. Okay. Oh, we might want to aim a little bit higher. But if we go, what I like to do is I like to go to where the move started. Okay. So I'll pull that fib down to here. You see here? I believe this downward move started, wasn't right here. It was right here. So that to me is a golden bucket. Oh, we're coming up now. Whew. Can we short it? Yes, we can. Can we short it? Yes, we can. All right. Oh, look at that. Oh, my God. We're getting a push. If we get rejected right as we're going through the TA, we're going to laugh. We're going to have a laugh, right? Come on. Come on. Oh, this is too good. I didn't. That'd be funny if we called it red on the live stream. We're getting volume. We're getting a push. We're getting a push. We got some volume. Look at the push we're getting. Wow. Okay. We're just trying to explain this level to our friends here. So we got the golden pocket there, okay? We draw a square. There's our square. We be prepared, okay? You saw how we got that golden pocket, right? Now we pull the volume from, I'd say, the start of this move and across. We come out, we come back in, okay? And we look for this to continue its way down into Boringville, okay? If we're going to label an area, this is our area called Boringville. This is for the weekend. We hang out here on the weekends, Boringville. We have little wick moves like we just got up into key levels of resistance. This is funny. Let's see if it works out. 37,450 is the 786. Hola, what's going on, French toaster? Our favorite brave little toaster, man. Hope you're doing well, brother. Good to see you. Thanks for dropping by. TIA USDT on Bybit, please. Uh-oh. You're giving me crazy alts right now. You're giving me crazy alts. Oh, man. What's going on, Toaster? Hope you're having a great weekend, my friend. Thanks for dropping by, saying hello. We're just chilling out here, looking at ideas. Oh, my levels come up. So we do have that level set. Let me delete one of these. Already set. Looking for the rejection here. See if it can get rejected. We did get quite a volume surge, so we'll go into the 5 minute here. We'll pull up the volume. You can see the volume here surging. Okay. I was looking for a short here. Protection to the upside. And back down to the point of control, right? Back down to the point of control. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy, my friends. Lemon squeezy. So we're getting a push. We'll see if we can come down. We'll see if we come down. Oh, we got 10 people in here, man. Good day to all of you, friendly Otter Gang friends. We just set up this. We'll see if this works out. Now let's continue through our top-down analysis that we were doing. So lovely for you, my friends. So lovely for you. What are your guys' plans for the weekend? That's what I want to know. What are you guys up to this weekend? What are you guys up to? Are you guys all partying like animals or what? So we're looking here at the daily. Let's get the volume off of this chart. You guys are all partying like animals, aren't you? Aren't you? Don't lie to me. Don't lie to me. I'm aware. I'm aware you guys are all party animals. I know you are. Smash that like button, guys. Subscribe if you haven't already. I think we're at 498 subscribers. We're almost at 500. That's pretty awesome, guys. Thank you guys for your support. So we're going to continue here. Now, everybody, their brothers, their sisters, their girlfriends, even their pet dogs and stuff, they're like, bearish divergence. Money flow's coming out. Dinner at a nice restaurant with the baby and the in-laws. That's beautiful, man. That's beautiful. Family life, man. Family life, Schaefer. So you can see the beautiful divergence here. Schaefer, what was that dessert you were talking about the other day? There was a dessert you were talking about. You said it's like brownie, custard. Nick Musgrave had 2 afternoon bags. He's friggin' wired. Watch out. Naps. He meant naps. A bag in Canada is like you had like a little bit of cocaine. So I hope we don't get it. We're going to get kicked off. We're going to get kicked out. So everybody's looking at this bearish divergence. Money flow is slowly coming out. However, I mean, when you're saying money flow is coming out, it's up at 35. Like, it's flying high, right? You can see the posturing of the VWAP is coming up, okay? So to me, that's pretty positive, okay? Pretty positive. Like, you don't want to fight this upward trend. Like, yeah, BlackRock isn't going to get their ETF right away. However, we're not going to stop this crazy train of people wanting Bitcoin right now because we know that 90% chance is coming in January 10th. We know that, right? So any dips down is like fire sale, man. Grab that shit, right? That's why I've been making those videos on pullbacks for alts and stuff because we need to be ready. If we don't want to miss the train. If we get any kind of pullback, we want to be able to scoop that up, right? And what are the pullbacks? Okay, so if we're looking at this objectively, what are the pullbacks? The pullbacks are as simple as this, okay? As simple as this. You can pull a fib from the bottom of here up to here, okay? You get a beautiful, beautiful 31,000 area, okay? 31.8, I would say, is our main area of massive support and resistance. And we know this why, because when we zoom out, we can see that this area here is our multiple touch zone. I've never been to one of those places before, okay? Where you can see that we failed to break out so many times and get above or below so many times, okay? So that is our key level, okay? Key level. However, there are levels in front of that, okay? There are levels in front of that. And what are these levels, okay? So we were all looking at 32.8 as a key level, okay? Which puts us, let's pull up the levels. 32.8. So we were looking at 32.8 for a key level as well. So make sure you have these marked out on your charts. 32.8, 31.8. So it's pretty simple. 32.8, 31.8, okay? And then we have a lot of we have a CME gap here, down here at this red line here, around 34,000, okay? 34,000. So those are my main ones would be 34,000. If we drop, right? If we drop it like it's hot. 32.8 and 31.8. And if we fall below 31.8, well then we go right back to the range that we were trading from before, and those levels are very simple. You can simply go in here, you can pull your volume, and you can know. Oh man, guys, do you miss this range at all? Let me know in the chat. Do you guys miss this range? Because I fucking don't. We look to bounce off the top of this range. Okay, so this is your first bounce here. major support at 30,000. Major support here at 29,000. We'll raise this up a bit. Go psychological, 29,000. And then back into this range here is 28,300, okay? If you fall below any of this, you're going right back down to 26,000, okay? 26,000. Okay? What is it? What was it called? Chocolate custard. Mrs. Otter, Schaefer had chocolate custard Oreo pie. The look she just gave me. Chocolate custard Oreo pie. What? I think his wife's friend made it or something. Where does Schaefer live? She asked. Where does Schaefer live? Send pics on Discord. Unless he probably ate it all. Mrs. Otter's like, what the hell? The face, like The Exorcist when she turns her head. She did. Oh man. Oh man. Sister-in-law is a pro chef. He's spoiled, is what he's saying. He's spoiled rotten. He's spoiled absolutely rotten. And he deserves it because he's the man in the chair. Oh. Okay. So we've gone through Bitcoin. What else? You want me to go... What's that shit coin you want me to look at, Schaefer? If there's any alts you guys want me to look at, just chuck them in the chat. We'll look at them for you. No problemo. We'll share this with the Discord. Join us in the free Discord. Link is in the description below. Okay. Lunar Beach's crypto is getting his bear paws on. Whew. Look at you, bear man. Beautiful bear man. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, get rid of these. I don't need price labels. I just give the price labels because it's easier for you guys to see and to add to your charts, okay? I guess I got to add all this stuff too here to the levels. Okay, hide. No. Sorry, missed it. Okay, so back to where we're at. Are we getting rejected? Friends? Poof, guys, look at this trade setup given in advance, man. As I was talking, okay? As I was talking. Don't think I didn't take it. Traders helping traders. It's pretty cool, eh? Traders helping traders. TIA USDT. Okay, we'll do TIA USDT. So in the near term here, we got levels. We have one above us here, 37.2. Lunar Beach's crypto. He likes this beautiful wedge here. I say this is a nice bear flag. I agree with him. I don't know how he's drawing it. How does he draw it? I can see the bear flag. Do you guys bear flag? Do your bear flag low? Do you tumble in the hole? Can you tie it in a knot? Can you tie it in a bow? So yeah, we could get up here, 37.2. That would be the entire range, I believe. Yeah, just below. So maybe we bring this down here. We're pumping back up. Maybe that entry was too good to be true. Okay. Okay. So, Tia. I just keep moving this up with where price action is. Bounce off of this ascending line here. So make sure you have, because we've respected this line here quite nicely all the way up. Okay, when we get into the nitty gritty, let's look at market cipher quickly. Sorry about that. I was having a brain fart just thinking. Sometimes I do that. Okay, so money flow is coming out here on the 12-hour, but we had the massive spike up and down. So coming out isn't really coming out. It's really still at 30. So it's pretty sideways. We are getting a green dot and VWAP crossing over on the 12-hour, which does look a little bit bullish to me. We only have 7 hours until this print, so tonight we could be looking for a little bit of a move upwards and a continuation on the 12-hour. That's what it's suggesting. I think these midterm time frames are suggesting, yeah, green dot, red dot, green dot. So they're very confused. However, the 8, if we go down to like the 8, they're all triggering. Okay, these are all trigger waves down here, right? Whether they play out or not, but look at this last one, okay? Boom, okay? So could we trigger here? Everybody's bearish. Boom, fly off to the rails, right? And there's only, this is your 8 hour. So let's go over to the 4 hour. And what's the 4 hour saying? 4 hour trigger wave was kind of messy here, but you can see the posturing of the stochastics and the crossover of the VWAP and everything else. So this does look a little bit bullish, in my opinion, that we can get a bigger move upwards, okay? However, it came into key resistance. That's why we shorted the thing. So the 4 hour does look bullish, and we know not to mess with these 4 hour trigger waves because they tend to fly us off to the moon, okay? And what do we mean by that? Well, if we simply mark out where they are on our charts, we can see that one was a kind of a failure, but these are all still decent moves up, right? Decent move up, a massive move up, and then now we're getting one right now, right? So you can see where the moves are. These have played out quite nicely, so be cautious trying to fight this upwards trend. You can see the trend is very much like this. So if you are looking for a short, maybe look for it to trickle back in here and continue downwards. Don't be like me and degen short at key levels of resistance, maybe, if that's your strategy, however you want to trade it. So don't fight the trend. Going down to the 3. 3's got room to the upside. Now the 1 hour is overbought, right? So the 1 hour now is overbought. So we've come up to the key level of resistance. We've been rejected, right? It's weekend, so we're not getting as much volume. We got a massive pop up here, so we did get a volume spike right now. Volume spike, which isn't even that significant, okay? Which isn't that significant. So that's why we wait on the weekend for it to have its little dance move and then get rejected with lower volume coming in, okay? So the 1 hour is oversold. VWAP is flattening out. Looks like this could curl over. So let's wait and be patient. However, we did draw this trend line, right? So you can see this trend line. So I would be looking for a break of this trend line, meaning coming back down, breaking this trend line, retesting, and there's your short position as well. That would be more safe, okay? That would be more safe, in my opinion. But you want to have confirmation of the break of this trend line, at least on the 15-minute, okay? At least on the 15. Closed candle outside, comebacks, watch it come down, okay? You want to watch for something like that. Or you can just trade the tops like me and be a degen, okay? Whatever you want to do. Whatever you want to do. It's all up to you. It's not financial advice. It's just here to help you and see what I'm looking at. So you can see here, 30-minute, very much overbought, okay? We've been crawling upwards. This looks like it needs to cool down, okay? Calm your horses. What do they say? Anyways, that's saying, okay? So you can see the volume spike came in here. Where's our VWAP at right now? VWAP is below us, right? So you typically want to see it come back down to your VWAP, which is the target of the short trade, okay? Of this short trade. We just be patient here. Let the weekend volume play its way out, and hopefully we can see that rejection. Okay, that's it for Bitcoin. Pretty much, we're looking for it to fall back into this range. We have some key resistance above us, 37.2, and then we have this uptrend, 37.2 above us that we could be looking for. If we do break out here, 37.2 just above us here, and then we look for the break of this trend line. If you're looking to fire off shorts or longs, the longs are from down here. Okay, the longs are from down here. Where you got this trend line, you got this box. Just keep moving this box along this trend line. That's what I keep doing, along this trend line. So we look for the swing failure pattern like we had here, like we had here, like we had here, where we can look for look for longs, okay? Cool, your gets 500 subs. We got 500 subs? No way. No way. Do we got 500 subs? Oh my God, we got 500 subscribers, guys. We got 500 subscribers. Ah, thanks. Ah, I got a hug. Thanks, Mrs. Otter. 500 subscribers. Let's go. When the night and the land and is only light we'll see. Yeehaw! Yeah, boy. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Did I say thank you? Thank you. Oh, you guys make me smile, man. Happy Saturday to all you legends, man. Happy Saturday to all you legends. Ah, that's so sweet. I got such a cool community. It's you guys. Like all the YouTubers say, oh, it's all you guys. Well, it is you guys. However, it is me in a sense. We're like, we just keep going live, trying to give value. We get up and we just do it, 10 months. I think it's been 10 months, yeah. So, I'm a trader helping traders. That's it, right? That's it, guys. You guys are amazing. I appreciate you guys. We're all here to help each other, really. That's why we built this channel, is to help each other, honestly. Transparency, kindness. Changing that bullshit narrative of crypto influencers trying to show you their friggin' grandma, I ain't here to sell you shit. I'm here to help. I need your help. I need your help just as much as you need my help. We all need each other's help, right? And if we can collectively grow together and help one another, what's going to stop us, man? What's going to stop us? Nothing. So thank you. Thank you. I'm saying thank you to some circle on the wall here, but that's what it's about, man. It's about community. It's about a healthy community, no bullshit community, having a good giggle, man, because this ain't easy. Trading isn't easy. Crypto isn't easy. So the worst thing that you could be doing is getting involved with a community that is lying or that is shilling you shit or trying to say, this is the way. This is the only way. There's a million ways to do this. We all have different TA. We all have different strategies. But if we can practice a healthy living, a healthy mindset, a healthy community and help one another, then we can grow together, right? We can grow together. And by growing together and everybody giving their own input, we can all learn. Because I've learned so much from you guys. Never mind. I didn't even know how to set up a microphone or a friggin', none of that shit. I just press buy and sell, as they say. but I was successful in my trading journey, so I wanted to share that with you guys. So thank you. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Boom, 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 boom. All right, let's jump into it. Let's look at your friggin' shitcoin, Jonathan Schaefer. Enough getting me all emotional and shit. Oh, man. I didn't think this carpenter could become a day trader, okay? If I can do it, if this dummy who uses a friggin' tape measure, okay? If this guy who swings a hammer all day comes home and can work the charts and learn how to do TA and trade, you can too, okay? You guys can too. You guys can too. TIA, USDTP on Bybit. Spot, no. Bybit. Oh, God. Is this a rug pull you were talking about yesterday, Schaefer? My God. This is why. What's going on, man? Let's get YouTube to spread this to more people. Let's spam the chat and get this going. Yeah, boy. Oh, man, you guys are awesome. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. Okay. We get 500 subscribers and we're looking at this. Look, we got a downwards pattern here with a big. This is what I can see. You're about to get rugged, man. Oh man, 12-hour. Get that VWAP out of here, man. Get that garbage out of here. Okay, you can see. Did you long this, Schaefer? I bet you Schaefer long this. What's going on? Throw those otters in the chat, you legends. We're looking at the otter gang schlonging. To the upside. Oh, man. Oh, man. Too good. Well, you're you're about to get rug pulled, man. What is this? Oh, 200%. Where did you long from? That's what I want to know, man. Where did you long from, you sexy beast? Oh, man. Too funny. Oh, man. You guys are sweet. You guys are sweet as. Did you get out of it? Did you get out of the trade and profit? Because then, you know what I mean? You're still killing it. So you can see, first, with anything that's moving parabolic, my friends, you gotta draw the momentum, right? It's the first thing you do. Is you find this momentum kind of curve. You can draw from here. Okay, this has kind of been your trend line. Where you're coming back and retesting, right? So you'll push up, you'll come back. You'll push up, you come back. You push up, you come back. And you get it. And you make the dinosaur pattern. You know, whatever that one is. What is it? A stegosaurus? Right? Spiky back, big head, wicked ass tail with the spikes on it. That one. So you got to draw the body of that stegosaurus, right? Keep it simple. And you can see price will come back to it multiple times, right? And then you can draw more, I guess you'd call it more lower term time frame ones. That's still got room. So you can bounce back down to this trend line. However, looks terrible. Looks terrible. Could pump to the moon, but you would be looking to long, right? You're not going to go. I wouldn't. If you want to catch the rug pull, that's interesting, but you want to catch the long along this trend line, right? You want to catch it along here. Practice some good risk management. And pay yourselves early, man, if you're trading anything like this. So yeah, your main pocket of volume is here. So you'll mark out that. Right? You'll look for the top of the shelf, the top of this to be your support. Right? And that would be your setup for your Shizen. Your Shizen. Too risky to hold that long, yeah. You'll be looking for it to come back down to this area, your Shizenhausen area, for the Shizenhausen coin, where you can look to long it, man. Besides that, like, get this garbage out of here, man. 500 subs, man. You guys are amazing. You guys are amazing. So, yeah, if you want to do a little bit of degen, we got TIA in the place to be. You know. Let's do we're gonna do IMX. I'm gonna do a video on IMX, but let's do it here live because I know Nick Musgrave loves IMX. I put it up here for Nick because I know Nick requested IMX, and then you also requested, was it Rune? Was it Rune? I think it was Rune. So yeah, I was doing some TA, obviously, on where I think price can pull back to for you, my friend. I want to add some more here, some more confluence, just to build up a better idea. So we're going to pull this out just to see where I was at with doing the TA here for you, because that's what we do. You put a request into the Discord, you get it, man. That's what this community is about, right? We just want to be helping others, getting those multiple ideas. So multiple ideas from everybody helps us all. It all helps us all. So I was doing some TA on Rune and IMX here. So Immutable X Gaming, I believe. I believe that Alex Becker guy, he likes IMX. So, you know, whatever he says goes kind of deal. So we have your pullback levels here. So add these to your charts. If we do lose this area up here, you can see that we got wick down to this 105 area, which was a nice wick recently. However, the way that these alts have moved is pretty parabolic, right? You can see the massive, right? Massive parabola. So if you do lose these levels, there is support below us. However, your key, you can see that with all the alts, there's kind of like these two levels. Okay, you got this level down here, right? And then you got the level above it. So like this is very like, okay, accumulation, double bottom. Look at this beautiful double bottom, right? Beautiful double bottom pump up. So like this level here, this 70 cents area is like you've won the lottery if it comes back here, right? You've won the lottery. However, you can see to push out of here and flip this to support, that was the difficult area, right? This was the difficult area because of all the volume in here. All the volume in here, right? So we lost that area, right? And then it took a lot of power to push our way through, right? So this 81 cents area would be my key level that I'd be looking. If we do fall and we do trickle downwards, 81 cents would be like a very nice area where I would dollar cost average. I'd be even considering it, and I don't even hold it, okay? So cool project, but very volatile, very volatile. Like any of these new alts, any of these new tokens, you can see that you put in a nice range. Congratulations, but you can see it's very swift movements, a lot of wicks to come back and get you out. So if you're trading this, be very cautious. However, you got these levels now. You can see you're holding this support. You want to see it get above here, right? You're basically at the value area low of this little range here. Yeah, value area low, point of control, right? And then underneath you got some support. However, you want to be very cautious here. You could be looking for a long right now, right? Depending on your criteria to enter. Let's see. So push up just like Bitcoin, rejected. Okay, so things will typically follow Bitcoin. So if we do lose the levels on Bitcoin, look for those to continue as well. with everything else. Okay. I'm considering closing this short. What do you guys think? Should we close the short? Should we close the short? One in the chat if you want to close the short. Close the short or hold the short. What do you guys think? Buy some Bitcoin on spot and raise the price. Yeah. Oh man. 1 to close it. 2 to keep it open. What do you guys think? Take the money and run. $200 on the weekend. Nothing to cry about. What do you guys think? 1 in the chat to close it. 2 in the chat to keep it open. Nice entry. You guys let me know. That's your trade. That's your trade today. So IMX, and you wanted to see Rune as well, so let's go over to Rune. Where's Rune? There's Rune. 1 to close it. 1 to close it. Let's do it. Let's pay ourselves, friends. Pay ourselves, friends. Let's go on the 1 minute. Close with a limit. Close it. You guys ever do this when you're like, just take it? There we go. Beautiful. Up $200 for the day, guys. Up $200 to the day. Now it's going to 0. Okay. Thank you, guys. Quick, $200 for the day, guys. 500 subscribers. How about XRD? Okay, XRD after room, my friend. We'll do XRD for you. No problem. No problemo, Huck. We got the Mighty Ducks. Wild Wing. I'm a Leafs fan, but we got the Ducks here. I just got random shit. Can't be mad about a couple $100 on a weekend trade. That's for sure, man. That's for sure, my friend. So we gone through Rune. We got levels for you, my friend. We got levels for you. Rune is going to the moon. Okay? Woof. We got to go all the way back here. Okay, so we got levels on Rune. We haven't done this area yet, so we go into here. We do the TA on the left, and then we carry it over to the right. Okay? So this is how you get those levels, my friends. So where can we see key levels of support and resistance? I see a key level right here. No matter what, that's a key level, right? Where else? Not sure. Okay, so let's pull the volume. Let's pull the volume on Rune, coming straight across here to about here. This is the area. Oh, look at that. We put, just by eyeball, look at that. We put by eyeball right here, okay? Got a point of control here. Now I like to go, because we're coming up, so like for me, because we're coming up to the point of control, I like to go off of the volume node here. I like to go off of this one right here. This one. Okay? So that's where I'll put my level before the volume starts, because that's going to act as a ceiling. Okay? Does that make sense? If we were coming down to this level, I would come from this one here. And I put my horizontal here. Okay? Where this starts is where we get the bounce. Boing, right? Or boing. So that's kind of how I do that. I hope that makes sense to you guys. Okay? But we want to come down into this area. Where can we see below us here? So we can see one here. Boom. Then we see one here. Boom. And then we can see one here. Boom. Right? Right? Does that make sense? So we've done that. We know we're around here. Where's most of our volume around here? It's right around here. So let's zoom into the nitty gritty here. Let's get this area here. Let's make sure we get some confluence with the levels that we just put. Okay, so we got one here, one here. So that's our key level to get above right here. Okay, great. Great, so we've built an idea. Now we go back over to the right-hand side. We mark it out on our charts. Just hit the little refresh button here down below. Woo! And you shoot over. And you get your ideas. Okay, we have the levels marked out from the lower range. However, we're looking for pullbacks, right, on Rune. So with Rune, we go like that. Look at that. And they match up quite nicely with, look how they match up with support and resistance on these trends as well. So that's nice to see as well when you come back over and check it out now, my Funk Soul brother, right? You mark these out and you be ready. You be ready. If you want to set limit orders on the way down, that's totally up to you, depending on what you're thinking, okay? So go to the weekly. I always like to also mark out the major areas that we're looking at, okay? And what are the major areas? Well, that one that we saw right off the bat, pardon me, with all these lines, what was the major one we saw? And that was this one here, right? So we make that red. Make that one red. Then we go down here. Where's our major one back? Acceptance back into this range, right? Where's acceptance back into this range? Well, that's definitely somewhere around here, right? So these are our major ones. Make them red. Make them a different color. So if you know you lose those levels, you're coming much lower, okay? You're coming much lower. You're coming much lower. Even here, this is significant too, because you got the previous top, right? Previous top here, acceptance into the range, fell through here, massive move through. So hope that helps you there, Nick. Now it's time to go spend it all on steak, baby. Let's go. Okay, so that's Rune in a nutshell. Add those levels. So we've done Rune, we've done IMX. Now we're going to do XRD. Is it XRD? XRD on... What do you got? What are you doing this XRD on, Huck? Maxi? Maxi, maybe? XRD. 2-day chart. Shizen. Okay, this could pop off though. Remember, we're coming out of this terrible area, right? Line it all up, man. Line it all up. So what do you got here? You got key level of resistance, right? Key level of resistance. That's your red line, okay? Key level of resistance. You'll move quickly if you push through here. You'll move quickly. You can see there's quite a nice gap, right? And pull volume across here. Do 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 do. Never traded it. Never mind. Well, we'll do it anyways. We'll do it anyways, just so you have an idea of how we do it, right? Mark it all out quickly. Get a good idea. Man, I'm just happy today, man. We made a quick, nice trade. We got 500 subscribers. Man, that's awesome. So I think I'm at like 2,300 or 2,400 watch time hours. I think it needs to get to 3,000 in total for us to have memberships. Now with memberships, like I'm not here to charge anything, so I don't know if I can just like knight people and like give away memberships for free. I don't know how it works, so I'll look into that. Obviously, I'm not here to charge anybody anything, so maybe we make it like 50 cents or something like that, and I'll buy you one. Like, I don't mind, right? I just bought 400 memberships. I made 400 memberships today. If we'll do the lowest price possible. You're a member if you say you're a member, right? And the first rule about Alexo Crypto is you don't talk about Alexo Crypto. Fight Club, baby. Okay, let's go back to Bitcoin. Let's see what we got here. A pumper dumper, right? We're rolling back over. We could have continued downwards. However, beautiful little weekend trade, man. Beautiful weekend trade. We caught that John Wickety. Now, you can see my entry over there was there's a discrepancy in my Bybit chart with ZoomX, so there's a difference of about $20 almost for the levels. So I have to go, if it's higher, I have to go. So this was at 870. I had to enter at 850, right? Vice versa. It's kind of annoying. However, I like the Bybit chart because there's lots of volume and the levels are typically respected. So all that good. Thank you, Toaster. I appreciate you. So that's enough out of me, man. I'm going to go make some pullback videos. I'll make Rune and I'll make IMX. And what do we have coming out today? I think we got Matic coming out today, so that's that. Automatic, man. Automatic. So, that's me, man. Thank you guys for joining me on this weekend stream. We'll continue to watch Bitcoin. We'll watch this dump all the way down to where we thought we were going to go. Holding trades is hard sometimes. However, paying yourself is important. So we have closed the trade. We are happy with that. And be cautious out there. With Bitcoin, we got the 4-hour trigger looking to push us up a little bit higher. We got ideas, okay? So we'll share our ideas in the chat. Join us in the free Discord, all that good stuff. Much love to every single one of you guys. You guys are great. You guys made this happen, man. You guys made this happen. Thank you, guys. I will see you guys, if not tomorrow, I will definitely see you Monday. I will see you Monday. Hypnotic, automatic, funky, fresh. Everybody wants somebody. We see you want to step on with me. Everybody get on the floor. Oh, man. Thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. I'll see you guys in the Discord. Much love to every single one of you. God bless you guys. Have a wonderful rest of your weekend. Peace out, man.